KNF. Now, do I look funky? Do I look cartoonish? Because I should be on the right settings. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I got some stuff to talk about. When I hit the mode button, you better believe it changes everything. Video mode, bike mode, video mode, photo mode. And that's when I'm trying to turn the camera off. And I don't look good. I look like something has happened to the video. Well, it turns out it saves to the video mode custom of HDR. So what should I do? Delete it off, because at nighttime, HDR looks real bad. Well, they made new firmware, and new firmware is supposed to fix the issue, make it look real good. I just changed my 1/200th to 1/100th to allow a little bit more light. I wasn't sure why it didn't look right enough. And 1/200th for my daytime, 1/100th for my nighttime, and I did keep it at 1/200. So my settings are 4K at 30 frames per second, EV -0.3, 1/100th through 8000, -2 on texture, and -1 on video noise reduction. And that wasn't set before. And my color is 8-bit color, not 10-bit today. I went back to 8-bit. Yeah, de-warp, horizon balance, because you get de-warp when you do horizon balance. That's my settings. I got the KNF or KNN or KNG. I got the KNF filter. And yeah, it's on. And hope you enjoy the shots. Moisture's in the air. Oh yeah, man. Let's see what the weather is for today.
Looks like rain today.
Weather.
It's currently cloudy and 35 degrees.
Oh man. 6+ inches of snow, but it looks like rain today. Now I look a lot better with the camera. I keep my brightness down to about 50-ish%. Not to conserve power, just to keep it, down some. If I keep it 100% outside in the sun, I still can't see it. I guess that's a problem when I got a light, the moon's out there and you can see. Not nice, and the moisture's in the air. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just continue on to walk and have fun. I started my camera. I'm doing a quick, you got it. And that is the, man, the gyro. And gyro's not strong enough. Needs to be a little stronger. Control it more. Got too much freedom. That's why we see our video adjust all the time. DJI needs to again address the gyro. I was asked about my EcoRoad EC8 Scooter. How do you get the front wheel off? I just heard gunshots. Well, I figured maybe you'll do like the back one, like I made a video where you punch the hole in the stickers and you take the bolts out of each one, and then it's got a square, solid axle, and you pull it off of the thing straight out like this, and it's just a matter of freeing it up. Maybe look in the front. I have to inspect mine, check it on out. I got a derailleur guard, and it don't have any gripping things on one side, little cutout points like the pull-out wheel. And I'm hesitant to put it on. I'm thinking of maybe I can cut mine or just figure out maybe screw it on, but maybe that'd damage my frame. I'm not sure what to do, but at least I got the $6, $7 part that will protect my bike, because that pair gotta be haunted, the one I'm on. And I don't think I want to visit that pair again. If it's really that haunted, things happen over there, I tell you. Low light shot does a great job in subject tracking. What do I got a screen on? Did I fill up here? I don't know. Maybe subject tracking is not on. Maybe it's not following me. I just see a square box. It may not be bright enough for you. Do I gotta go back into my area? I think so. And that's what it was telling me, that I had to be in the light. Be in the light, fish. Be in the light. So yeah, man. I got a lot of things to do today. Got to take care of things. I got to revise. I got to meet Joe. Joe's a good guy. Man, we get along pretty good. We're going to be good today. And a little taking care of beeswax, and off I go. Saying off I go, I'm out of here. Let me get going. Still following me? Can you track me? Am I off the screen centered? Did the tree hit me? Well, I'm gonna add a little bit more to my my walk today, my exercise. Extend it, yeah. I head out back the way I came in. Oh yeah, so let's get on going and see what else we could talk about. I closed the gates. Man, gates don't meet. One day the gate will be closed correctly. But, you know, why have a gate where it's closed where you could do one of these? I could just walk in on this way, right through the gate. Well, I gotta step on up and get on going. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be real high up in the air. I gotta walk across a bridge. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, man. I don't wanna hit my head on these kiddie bars. Man, oh, let's get on out. Get on going. Can I slide on down? Woohoo! Problem with rubber sneakers, it stops you. So the K&F filter, I use it now and then. I shot video and I went to a supermarket and I added it to my other vlog. Show you what it's about. And I like that car. They're ironic. And supermarket did a nice job on the fruit and everything. And I was about, you know, a foot, 18 inches away. And I went across and I panned and got some good colors. Yes, indeed. It's not going to fix the, you know, the bugles, the trumpets, the lens flare, the world flares. It's going to just help out, make your video a little softer. It's a 1/4 black mist filter. I don't know what it does, but it works pretty good on the camera. It softens and makes some of the things look a little golden when the sun's shining, and it takes away the crispness of the shot. I may look a little golden here, but the next slide, I'll look a little bluish, daylight, cool. And that's a soft Kelvin, a warm Kelvin. This is a cool Kelvin. I don't normally mess with white balance at all, so I can make it cooler or warmer. But if you touch the white balance and make it like about 5400, then you get that natural color. A little darker in the sky, yeah. Light came on just for the fish, man. Lit me up. How do I look to you? Well, I hope this vlog is not ruined by cartoonish look, brownish in HDR, H-log. Eh, it is what it is, man. Always do another vlog. Hey, you like this car here? Chevrolet Corvette. How much it changed. Oh yeah, it looks real cool. Well, I'm gonna end my vlog like this, to the sky, so you can see the sun coming up, making those clouds colorful. On that note, I know who I am, and I see you on many other videos to come.